guys, welcome to this new video. Today we're going to talk about Hostpath on our Kubernetes for Beginners series. So what is a Hostpath, guys? A Hostpath is just something simple. Let's make it simple, guys. It's just a directory located in the node which pod are going to consume. It's a directory located in the node which is used as a volume for the pod or volume for an application. That's just the simple way to explain that, right? Now, you see here, host path is a type of volume in Kubernetes that mount a directory from the host node file system into the pod. It allows pod to access file and directory on the node file system directly. So that's called host path. As you guys can see here, we actually declare that volume here, and the volume is mounted here under slash path, right? So as you guys can see here, the name of the volume here matches the name that here, and this is actually host path, and this is actually located inside the node. One bad thing about this is that if the node die, it dies with all the host path. That's what is dangerous. So if you don't care losing data, you will go ahead and use host path, right? Because if the node die, the node will automatically die with the directory that is created inside. Remember, host path is just a directory. You create a directory and you use that directory as a volume for your container. So that's called host path. But that volume or that directory is actually located inside your node. And if your node die, it will go ahead and die with that. That's just the downside of that. So host path is just a volume that is located inside the node, and that we use that as volume for our container. But be mindful that node are also ephemeral. If the node die, we also die with that. I hope you like the video. Please go ahead and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.